All right, so the first step is signing up for Hostinger. If you don't already have a Hostinger account, I recommend to use the first link down below in the video description to sign up for Hostinger. This is my personal referral link, which will enable you to get an additional 10% discount on any Hostinger plan. So make sure to use that link or go to hostinger.com/medicsmedia10 to lock in your discount. So once you're on this page, click on Start Now, and then we can choose a plan. Now, I recommend to go with the business plan because you get the best performance and you also get the option to use e-commerce features. However, if you're on a limited budget, you can also go with the premium plan, which is fine for simple websites. I'm going to go ahead and choose the business plan. Then here on the next step, we can choose our payment period, which by default is set to 48 months. This means that we would pay for 4 years of hosting today, and by doing that, we will be able to get the best price for 4 years of hosting, which will save us a lot of money in the long run. However, if you have a bit of a lower budget, you can also go with one of the other plans right here. I would go at least with the 12 months option because it will enable you to get a free domain for the first year. However, if you can, I recommend to go with the 48 months option because again, this will save you the most amount of money in the long run. Then also make sure that the coupon code MEDICSMedia is applied, which will save you another 10% on your plan. Usually it's applied when you use the link down below in the video description. However, if you don't see it, just click on Add Coupon Code and type in MEDICSMedia, and then let's move on and click on Continue. Then here to create your account, either use your Google account or just type in your email and choose a password. Then click Continue. Here, just enter your billing address and click on Continue. Then choose your payment method, enter your details and click on Submit Payment. And keep in mind that Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that if you cancel your plan within 30 days, you get a full refund, no questions asked. Once our account is set up, we're going to go through the onboarding process. So let's just answer these questions here. I'm going to say I'm going to create a website for myself or my business and click on Next. Then I'm going to go with Create a Website to be able to create a completely new website from scratch. And here we're going to choose the Hostinger Website Builder and click on Next. Now here we can already choose a domain name for our website, which is basically the address of the website. However, I recommend to build your website first, and once it's ready to be published, then connect your domain name. So what we're going to do is click on Use Temporary Domain here at the bottom,